Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I hope everyone is well. Greetings everyone, I'll try again to show you a video I made myself. This RC car isn't entirely powerful because it's still standard. Let's just watch a standard RC adventure, see if it can perform at its best. For those who haven't liked it yet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the region you're listening to and watching this video from, so you won't miss any other videos from me. We pray for those who have liked and subscribed to this channel that your fortune will flow abundantly, all your affairs will be made easy, and all your good prayers will be answered by God. This time, I'll be exploring interesting and challenging terrain and tracks for this RC car. What do you think about its current capabilities? Let's watch until the end. I will be testing this modified HBZP 1005 to its limits, navigating dangerous and quite extreme trails. This involves technically crawling through overgrown trails and steep slopes, climbing steep, eroded tracks, and navigating unexpected track crossings, all to demonstrate the capabilities of the modified HBZP in a truly harsh and historically rich environment. Adrenaline pumping action, roads less traveled and well-maintained, potholed roads and tracks enough to make the HBZP 1005 a thrill. I will unleash the modified RC into a forgotten world, narrow and abandoned trails that haven't been traveled by vehicles for decades. Prepare for thrilling climbs and challenging tracks, crossings, and a true test of this vehicle's limits against the mastery of nature. Can this machine conquer what time has left behind? With the dramatic reveal of this modified HBZPRC, ready for action. Set against a backdrop of extreme, forgotten road infrastructure, climbs, and water. Briefly introducing the history of the abandoned track, hinting at its ruggedness and historical intrigue. Sets the stage for an epic adventure. Clearly stating the video's core mission, pushing the HBZP modified to its absolute limits in a designed environment. This modified RC car could become my go-to. Let's see what this RC car is capable of.
you.